Hello everybody, Carolyn Caldwell here from Caldwell Evolution with day 19 of how to get stuff done. And today we are going to tackle myth number 6, which is that your email inbox can be your to-do list. Now I know that many people use their email inbox as a place to find things that they have to do. And there is no doubt that in that inbox there will be lots of things that are going to be time commitments for you. But generally, your email inbox does not provide you with the full story. And also, it usually is somebody else's to-do list. So that's going to bust that myth. You don't want to put everybody else's to-dos on your to-do list. The other thing that happens with the email inbox is it's not sufficient in order to capture your to-do list unless you're sending yourself emails, which is quite possible. Your inbox isn't going to contain the dreams and wishes and tasks associated with your goals and objectives. It's going to include questions and queries and answers to questions that you have and queries that you've sent, and it may include information, but it's not going to include the tasks associated with your goals and dreams. So unfortunately, no, that email inbox is not going to serve as your to-do list. Use a real to-do list. Use a place where you can capture your tasks associated with your goals, your dreams, and your priorities, and use your email inbox as a place to get stuff done. If there's stuff in there that is going to take you less than 30 seconds to respond with an answer, to ask another question, or to forward something, absolutely go ahead and do them. Get those off your plate and send them off to the next place, or even file them for future reference, or file them so that you have them available if you need them in the future. But with respect to the things that you want to get done in your life, your goals, dreams, objectives, your priorities, that's on your to-do list. That's on your task list. It's getting a bit windy here, so I'm having trouble with my paperwork. However, it's very quiet out here too, so my friends, I don't know where they went. It's usually, this is about the time that they would be around, but I guess they had other things on their to-do list, so they've gone someplace else. Maybe somebody had a more enticing dinner for them than I do. Anyways, everybody, I hope that that's helpful, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Bye now.